This process will continue for next 3 hours. The very severe cyclone storm Yes is crossing North Odisha coast to the south of Balasore as predicted earlier. The maximum sustained wind speed associated with this cyclone at present during this time of landfall is about 130 to 140 kilometers per hour, gusting to 150 kilometers per hour. This wind speed will continue for next 3 hours. Thereafter, the wind speed will gradually decrease as the cyclone will move into land. Gradually decreasing, it will become about 60 to 70 kilometers per hour by tomorrow morning over southeast Jharkhand and adjoining areas of North Odisha and West Bengal. The damaging wind of 100 to 120 kilometers per hour can be expected over interior district of North Odisha like Mayurbhanj, and also the adjoining interior districts like Paschim Medinapur, Jhargram, Purulia of West Bengal. Along West Bengal coast, we can have the wind speed of 100 to 120 kilometers per hour, gusting to 130 kilometers per hour over Pur Medinipur and South 24 Pargana till evening of today. Thereafter, it will decrease. Over Balasore and Bhadrak district of Odisha, the maximum wind will be realized and is being realized now 130 to 140, gusting to 150 kilometers per hour. To the south of these two districts, over Kendrapada and Jagatsinghpur districts, winds are relatively less. Over Keonjhar and adjoining districts of North Interior Odisha, there could be wind speed of 60 to 90 kilometers per hour as the cyclone will be moving northwestwards after the completion of landfall towards Jharkhand. Under the influence of this cyclone, there has been heavy to extremely heavy rainfall over coastal Odisha and northern districts of Odisha. This heavy to extremely heavy rainfall activity will continue over North Odisha districts for today. There will be also heavy to very heavy rainfall activity over Gangetic West Bengal districts and South Jharkhand districts today. And tomorrow, there could be heavy to very heavy rainfall activity at isolated places over North Jharkhand and Bihar. Today also we can expect isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, and isolated heavy rainfall over West Assam and Meghalaya. The sea condition is phenomenal at present over North Bay of Bengal. This disturbed sea condition will continue till tomorrow morning, and thereafter sea condition will improve for various marine activities. At present, those who are staying in the shelters or the safe places, they should continue to stay there. Nobody should come out of the house and the shelters till there is threat due to cyclone. As and when the area will be declared to be relieved from the dangers of the cyclone, people can come out of the shelters and safe places. I request all the people to maintain calm and stay in the safe places and not to venture outside. Please listen to all instructions and guidelines while staying in the shelters and cooperate with each other to fight with these natural disasters in association with COVID-19. We are monitoring this cyclone from 19th onwards, and this monitoring has been there now on the hourly basis from last night. We will continue this hourly update of the informations till the cyclone weekends.